Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you an easy way to make Spanish rice. But before we get started, like always, like and subscribe and make sure your notifications on for my next video. Alright guys, let's get started with the ingredients. You're going to need 1 heaping tablespoon of this here is tomato bouillon. This is the brand I use. And you don't need salt because this has plenty of salt in it. And I also have a half a teaspoon of cumin, 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water, 1 garlic clove, and we're only going to use like 1/4 of this onion. We're not going to need the whole thing. And I have 1 tablespoon of oil in the pot on the stove. Okay, this is the oil on the stove, and I just turn my burner on to a medium-low to start heating up. And we're going to go ahead and add our rice. And I know you usually wash your rice, but for this recipe we don't want to wash it because we want to toast our rice. We want to make it to a light brown color. So that's why we're not going to wash it. I'm just going to get that rice coated with the oil so it can get toasted. Sorry for the noise, guys. Okay. So we'll let that sit and we'll go cut our onion and our garlic. Okay, now that our rice is starting to brown, we're going to go ahead and add our onion and our garlic and our seasoning. Okay, we're going to add our onions and our garlic. Okay, we're just going to mix it in. And this will help some of the, like the cumin to start kind of toasting. And it'll bring out that cumin flavor even more. Okay. And now we're going to add our 2 cups of water. Okay. Now once it starts boiling a little bit more, we're going to turn it to low and put our lid on it for about 20 minutes. But do not pick your lid up, guys, okay? Because it'll mess up the cooking process of the rice. So just be patient and let it cook for about 20 minutes, okay? On low. Alright, cooking crew, we will be right back. Alright, cooking crew. The rice is done. I've let it sit for about 10 minutes. And this is the finished product. Alright guys, we're going to give this a taste. It's hot. So good. It's so good, guys. So on your next night that you're going to make tacos or enchiladas or tostadas, make this rice. You'll be glad you did. Alright, that's it for today, guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification button. See you next time. Bye.